will we have little bit idea about JDBC programming. Today we are going to show you JDBC programming with the help of help me
Database.
with the help of Servlet, right?
Servlet.
So in this program, right, when you click on the signup.jsp, it is calling a servlet. Which servlet? Sign up, right?
Sign up. Yeah.
And sign up this is. So if you see in this code, can you see this?
Yes.
Right now I am saving my data into my array list, right? You remember, I forget it. Now I have to share it in database. So first of all, we have to make a database. So here we can create a database like new database, right? My database name is, hey, cubic, help me 901 underscore DB. Is okay with you? This is my database name. So I'm able to get my database name. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Here I want to make a table. So you can click on the new table, right? This is the editor.
Yes.
And first of you can make something like, SID, right? Anything
Yes.
integer, are you with me? An auto increment and primary key. Primary key means this would be the unique column, automatically it will be incremented, right? Then other columns are username, help me.
This is
GD.
SQL, right?
Yeah, SQL workbench, similar to that. This is Navicat, but similar to SQL workbench, okay? So you
We
Okay.
can
can
do the
make,
same
you can
thing
use
in,
what?
in the workbench, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, you can do that. Yeah. Password
Password. Yeah.
20.
Email.
Email, you can make it of 100.
Mobile.
Mobile, you can make it of 15 is more
11.
than enough.
Yeah.
11 is also fine. Image, gender, address. Image, right?
Yeah.
So image is a URL, so you can take 1,000 at least. Then gender, right?
Right.
Male, female, you can take 10, not 100. And last, address, right? Address is again a
Yes.
big value, you can make it 300. Got it? If you
Yes.
want to enter data of entry, you can take timestamp. I don't know, you know it or not, right?
No,
Hello?
I don't.
Timestamp will store the date, right? At what time and date it was entered, right? For that
Oh,
purpose.
okay. Okay.
Date of entry. So now you can press Control S. It will ask for the table name. I'm going to make a table name sign up underscore table, right? People, my
Yeah.
table is created. One record I can enter manually. Other record you can enter with the help of form and
JDBC.
JDBC. So now again at the rate gmail.com, mobile, gender, I'm not entering it. Address, so save it, right? And here you can enter the data as well. Done. Make sense? Date and time. Say yes. Yeah.
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 So this is my table structure and all, right? If you want to see the table structure, you can click on the design table and you can see it. But this data should come over here with the help of servlet, right? So here I have my all the data, username, password, email, mobile, image, right? So here we have to write the code of what? JDBC. Are you with me? A, you're not replying.
Yeah.
When you click on this button, it is calling this servlet. Say yes.
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 This servlet is taking all the data. Earlier you were doing setup into list, right?
List.
But now I don't know. Do you know JDBC programming? Yeah, we know that.
Yeah.
So what we can do is, you see my style of copy paste, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Just use this try catch, okay? Copy, and you have to go to the sign up servlet. Please help me. You see my style,
Yes,
copy
sir.
paste, okay? And here class dot for name. This is not going to be changed.
Yeah.
Only
Yeah.
input the code you are taking input because input you are taking through the form.
Yeah.
Query would be insert into, I forget it, table name. Table name is, please help me,
Sign
sign
up.
up underscore
And now?
table. Done. And here, if you want, you can mention the column name, right? It is up to you, right?
Okay.
So my first column name, you see my style of copying, right? Click and
And
And design table, you can copy. See, this is auto generated. You shouldn't bother about it. So I'm just going to mention the column name. My first column name is username, password, right? And you cannot
Right.
do spelling mistake. Then email, mobile image, gender, mobile image, gender, address, right?
Yes, sir.
And last, data entry. I know it's a little bit bigger because we are using multiple values. So how many total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Hello.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. Got it? This is my query. Compile it. And this would be auto-generated. I'm not bothering about it. So first parameter, I'm going to replace it username. Got it? So reply. Second
Yeah.
parameter,
Password. Yeah. Email.
third, fourth,
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sorry, 6, 7, 8. This is not easy. Then password, last email, mobile, all these values are coming.
Mm-hmm.
Image, gender, address, right? Like here you have to, say it timestamp, right? What man? Timestamp, which will store what?
Date and
Time
time.
in.
Time.
Yeah.
So here you can make timestamp object, which will give you the current date and time. You see my style? I mugged it, okay? It's not a big deal. I know how to do it. Here you can make an object update and you can get, I don't know. Oh, I can forget it. Get time. Make sense? Done. So here you can set it. Make sense? Now you can say fire query. My job is done. Hello. Don't forget to write try catch, guys.
Okay.
Don't forget to write try catch, and here don't forget to mention e.printest address. This code is bad, but it's okay, right? Got it? So I'm just taking all the input from the form and then loading the driver, making connection to the database. You know it, right? Nobody can say I don't know.
Okay, but
Hello?
it says you connecting to Cubic 444, but the database we made was different one, right?
Yeah, we have to check it. It should be, I think, cubic 9001. You can check it, okay? Database name is cubic 900,001. It's okay now. Thank you for
Okay.
helping me. Okay. Now data is where, man? Data is in the database as well. Let's try.
That's true.
Please. Okay. So you
Mm-hmm.
click on it. And I see if on console, right? If no error is coming, you see the console?
Yes.
Data when time, date and time is not taken. There's something wrong with my code. Okay.
Yeah, we haven't gave this data entry in sign up JSP, I think.
No.
The
No,
target.
no, they don't need it. I'm just commenting it for now, right? Hello. This
Okay.
column, I'm not taking it. One column, you can reduce it. We can do it tomorrow. Fine. There's something issue with the driver which I have. So what I'm doing, sir? Deleting my
Date and
column.
time.
Removed it. Okay. After that, see, clear the message. I don't know. You got confused? Nothing. I just remove the column, right? Now we have 7 column. 1, 2, 3. Achha, we have to remove this as well, right? 1, 2, 3. No. Already I did it, right? Done. Say yes, you are following me?
Yeah.
Mr. Nothing, right? You know it.
Mm-hmm.
After it, you can run it. Click on it. And here, no error is coming, right? It means data is in database. Agree or not? Refresh it. See? Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
Want to push another entry? You can do it. How? Same way. Your username is this one. Password is this one. And email ID is. You guys don't reply. Okay. Done. This is the address. Vermont. Sign up, right? So
Yeah.
this record is coming from the memory, right? But we have in database also. Clear?
Yeah.
So
Oh, yeah.
so this is done. Sign up is done. I told you already, right? Next thing is, see, right now I'm storing my all my data into my list, right? And from there I'm showing you. Got it? I
Yeah.
don't need it. Say yes. Hmm.
Yeah.
So now I have to show the real data. What is the problem is, if you restart your server, what happened?
It is
Just
gone.
asking with you.
It
If you
is gone.
restart your server, everything will be gone. But whatever you have in database, it is permanent, right? Like here, everything is gone. Say yes.
Yeah.
No, right? Only one record. Clear? But in database, it's always storing it. Please, you have to say always yes, even though you don't understand. The data is coming here. Say yes, always.
Yeah.
Give me a second. Here is showing some error. Data too long for image, right? Oh, hero. Here, you have to reply, sir. Now it's fine. Oh, Mr. 4 record is there. Now you want to see this data on this page? Say yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's many way to do it. This is the one way, right? Next thing is, I don't know you got the flow or not, right, man? Same man, you know it, right? My data was coming in the servlet already, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Data was coming already over here, right? Now we have to write code so that you can show your data over here, right? So here, if you allow to me, this we don't need it. Say yes, we don't need it.
Yes.
I can comment it, right? No. Here we have to write code. Code for what? Code to help me fetch data from database.
Database.
Apply. So I would recommend you to write code here, right? After execute. Say yes.
Yes.
Follow me. All the data after saving into all the data we have to fetch. So you know how to fetch the data. We have to write the query. Okay. First, help me. Query is select column. My first column is SID. I'll kill you. Reply. Then, oh, Mr. Already you have
Yes.
done this kind of query, right? Column name, SID, password,
Yeah.
address, right?
Email address. Yeah.
From this table. Done. My
Okay.
query is ready.
Done.
After that, you will compile your code, okay, like this. Compile the query, okay, in this
Okay.
prepare statement object. Then you will fire the query. To fetch the data, in order to fire the query, we have execute query.
Yeah.
Okay.
This will return you the result set, right?
Mm-hmm.
This result set, and this result set is pointing to the data which comes from database. So you know it, right? You can use while loop. Already we have done this job, right? So you
Right.
would say,
Yes.
hey, result set, unless and until you have data, next. So it will point to the first row of the data, right? First row of this data. Now you have to fetch everything, right? So,
Mm-hmm.
so what you are going to fetch is, oh, Mr. Hero, you see this is a constructor. So here you need username. Say yes. And
Yes.
username is present into column number
One.
rs.getString, column number 2, right?
Yeah.
2. One is this one.
I two.
and password is present
Three.
as column number 3, email is column number 4, mobile is column number 5, and image is column number 6. You see my style? Gender is column number something wrong? No. Yeah. Column number 7. I don't know you got confused or not. Address is column number 8 as per the query. Okay.
What is column number 1?
One number is SSID. Okay. Because we don't have SID over here. You can add one more column, man. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Integer SID. This I'm not setting through the constructor. This value I'm going to set through setter and getter.
So the SID, that's always number 1, or it can be something else.
No, it could be anything. In the query, I
Okay.
put 1, right? You can put anywhere. Now
Okay.
what you can do, set SID, and you can do rs.get. It is integer value. You can say get int and column number that is 0. 1, sorry. Okay, done. Mister, now reply.
Yes.
You can here you can make a list because list can hold list can carry multiple objects of the same type. List actually work as a container. You know it, right? Core
Yes.
Java. So in this list, I'm iterating all the result and adding one by one.
Yes.
Are you following me? So my list has all the data of sign up, and one sign up represent one row. So we have 4 rows. So one row represent one sign up object, second, third, fourth one. So all sign up I got into a list. Say yes, sign ups. And this list I have to send to the on the GSP file. So you can use request scope. You remember dot set attribute. Using this request object. In this request object, it is acting as a map. I am saying here request object. You need to. I am setting data. You can give any name here, right? ln data. You can give any name, right? Whatever name you want to give. Are you following me?
Yes. Yes.
But this could be always Java object. So
Okay.
this data, that is the list of sign up, right? I have just added into the request scope. Then I am forwarding my call to signup.jsp, right? So
Yes.
you come to the signup.jsp. Here data we are fetching from static list. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Right.
Now you can fetch the
Right.
data request.get attribute. Whatever you have said using the same key, right? Oh, Mister, this data is a list of sign up. You know it,
Sign up.
right?
The sign up thing. Yes.
You can downcast it. This is syntax. That's it. My job is done. Now it will fetch it from database, right? So how you are doing it, sir? First of all, you are in sign up servlet, right? So here it's fetching data from the form, right? Whatever you are filling. Then it is pushing into the table, right? Here it is fetching from the table. Am I right? Yeah.
Yeah.
And one row it's setting into one sign up, and eventually one sign up object you are adding to the list. Here, this list I am adding into the request scope so that I can fetch it on JSP. Set attribute, it request is a map. In map, I am adding this list as a key ln data. So when you go to the signup.jsp, here you can fetch it, right? So code is changed. You got a point? Hello.
Yeah.
Similarly, we can do for the delete also, if you allow to me. Hello. Or let's do this much first. Oh, Mister. Now, we're not replying. Now it will save the data and it is fetching from database. Can you see this? Error is coming, right? Null pointer. Null pointer error comes when there is something wrong with your code. So null pointer means ln data. I don't know what is null pointer is coming. I'm going to check it. Null
Okay.
pointer is coming here. So I'm going to restart my server. Okay. Sometime whenever you make a change in a servlet, you should restart your server. Make sense? Reason was your file might not be saved. Got it,
Yeah.
Mister? So here again you can fill the data, your email ID, your help me email address. You got it now? You see, all the data is coming from database.
Yeah.
No, please, I don't know, you trust in me or not. Yes, man,
Yeah.
it's coming from database, right? Nice. I don't know you got the flow or not, right? Signup.jsp, you are filling the data. When you fill the data, it goes to the signup servlet, right? A code was there already. I just put the JDBC code into it. I just hook into it. Okay. So now you want to delete it. Oh man,
Yeah.
when you click on the delete button, you are sending name as a query parameter, right? Name, username. Am I correct or not?
Yeah.
So code is there. Here I have to just twist it. Okay. What? Reply. Code is there. If you are not doing anything, you are wasting your time. I'm telling you.
Delete sign up
So
servlet.
here I see my style. I'm going to take try catch, and you see smartly, I can write some logic to delete the data from
Database.
database. So here you see the query, loading the driver, right?
Right.
Everything is same, right? As it is.
Yeah.
Only I have to change the query. Which query is delete from table, right? Oh,
Yes.
Mr. This is the query, delete from table where username equals to, I'll pass as a
Question.
value, right? You say, hey hey database, I want to delete a record from table where name is, I'm going to pass it, right? Compile it, and first place you set the name, username.
Name. Okay.
Done. After, in order to when you fire, you are saying fire the query, means delete the record. Your record is deleted. Say yes
Mhm.
from the database. After
Yes.
that, I'm going to fetch the remaining record in the same fashion, right?
Right.
So same code I copy paste, right? So what I can do is I can take a list. Oh, hero, I can take a list, right? Outside,
Right.
and same concept, right? First of all, here we are deleting the data. Then I'm fetching the data. Everything I'm just pushing into the list, right? After that, what I need to do, we don't need this. Okay. After that, what you need to do? Tell me. After that, I
Request of
have
set
to,
attribute.
yeah, we have to set it very nice. Same way as we did over here, right? All the data, I'm going to set it over here, right? Before forwarding to same way, right? L key should be this one only. Why? Because on signup.jsp, when we are
Yes,
fetching the
same
data, we
key.
are using the same key. Can you see this? Yeah, done. Now code is done. Restart your server. Okay. Oh man, why I'm able to do it fast? Because
Practice. You
code
practice.
was practice and code was there. I have to just put the JDBC thing.
Sir,
So here I had
how do you,
to,
sir,
yeah, I'd like to answer your questions.
how do you trigger that delete button then? You haven't written any code
No,
on
no,
that
no.
delete
It was code was there already. Let me show
on
you.
on delete button.
Yeah. Code already I did it. On delete button, we have hyperlink, right? This code was done already in the previous class. Okay. You see? Hello.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah.
There is a delete button, and delete button is around anchor tag. When you click on the delete button in anchor tag, href will be fired. So it is calling this servlet, and this is called query parameter. I don't know, remember or not. Query parameter. So when you hit this sign up servlet, you are passing username as a query
Key.
parameter. Are you following me?
Okay. Mhm.
So this servlet is called because of this URL pattern. Got it?
Oh,
Let's
okay.
see delete
Got
is
it.
working or not. So which record you want to delete? This one, right? You see? Done. Hello.
Yeah.
It's working, right? So guys, what I have done in this short span of time, I'm able to cover sign up, listing, and delete. I think this is enough for today. So people, again, let have a quick recap. First of all, this GSP is open. Oh man,
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
GSP is open, right? In
Mhm.
GSP, when you fill the data, it's calling sign up servlet.
Yeah.
In sign up servlet, what you are doing? First of all, you are fetching all the values, right? Username, password, right? Whatever it is there, you are fetching all the values. Clear? After
Yes.
that, using this query, you are pushing your data into database, right? Say
Yes.
yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Then from database table, you are fetching all the record. You are saying, I want this column from this table.
Yeah.
So when you fire the query, it comes in the result set. Result set is nothing, it's just pointing to this table, right? So when you say array.next, it will go to the first row, right? And from
Right.
first row, you are fetching all the columns. Then setting into one signup object, eventually this signup object you are adding into the signup list. Then the signup list, you have to go to the signup.jsp. How it is possible? Using request scope, which is a map. So here you are saying, hey, request scope, I want to set my data inside you against this key. And when you go to this JSP using this key, you can fetch the data on it. If you come to this signup.jsp, how we are doing? See, request.get attribute, opposite of it, right? Key. I'm giving this key, give me the my list of the signup. Then you know it, right? Already I explained you in the previous session. And this is your delete button, right? So when you click on it, it is calling your d-signup, right? And here you are fetching username. Username is coming from the query parameter. So what logic is? You are deleting the record from this table where username is this. Are you following me? So in this placeholder, you know how to set the value, okay? First of all, you are compiling your query. Then on place holder 1, you are setting username. Then you are saying delete it, fire the query. Again, you are fetching it, right? Same way. Again, you are setting in the same way and just rendering it. So this is all about today. We have done sign up with database, listing of the data plus deleting of the data. So guys, my humble request to you is if you really want to become a good developer, there's only way to learn is just go and do the practice. Go and do the same program again and again. What your problem you face, come and discuss with us. That is the only way. I'm telling you, what we are doing is not cup of tea. It's not like anybody can join and do it. No. Got it? So
Yeah.
please, I want you must do practice of this much first. On top of it, we can learn new topic. So guys, I'm just keeping my session till here. In next session, we'll learn new thing. Thank you so much.